Do you remember when music clicked? Literally clicked. When you pressed play and you heard the mechanism engage. Well, someone's finally brought that back. This is the FiiO CP13. It's a brand new, modern, portable cassette player. Is this real nostalgia or just a metal box riding the retro trend? Let's find out. Now, if you've watched my channel before, you'll know I repair vintage cassette decks all the time. Belts melt, capstans seize, motors drift. Portable cassette decks especially, they rarely survive. So until recently, your only option was to buy a second-hand unit from eBay. But now we're seeing something of a cassette revival. This is the FiiO CP13. First impressions? This thing feels serious. It's got a full metal chassis, it's got a nice weight to it, and it's got proper old school mechanical buttons. It feels closer to an old school Sony Walkman than a toy. And colour options? All very cool, including this transparent lid edition I have here. But the real question is inside, because looks don't matter if the transport is bad. Here's where modern cassette attempts usually fall apart. There's really only one mechanism still manufactured from Tassichin. The CP13 uses a modified design of this mechanism, including an oversized copper flywheel, a better motor, and a hand-picked head to try and reduce wow and flutter. So let's test that out. Speed and stability is surprisingly good. Wow and flutter? Better than most surviving vintage portables. And importantly, there's no gimmicks here. Just play, forward, rewind and stop. Simple and clean. Now let's talk sound. Plugged into decent headphones, this actually sounds really clean. Warm as you'd expect from a tape, but not muddy. There's no Dolby here, so you do get tape hiss, but the sound quality is surprisingly good. If your tape is good quality, it sounds good. If it's rough, you'll know about it. And honestly, that's part of the charm. It feels mechanical, tactile, real, not fake. Now, it's not perfect. There's no recording, there's no Dolby noise reduction, there's no fancy features. There's no auto stop other than on playback. But it does have a rechargeable battery built in, which is a plus. You'll get about 11 hours on a charge, and it's a portable. Compared to buying a 30-year-old Walkman on eBay, it's not a gamble, it's new, and it just works out the box. And works well it does. So who's this for? Well, it's for people getting back into cassettes. People who don't want to repair a 90s unit, people who don't want a full-size separate system with a cassette player, and people who just want that tactile experience again. It's not for collectors who are chasing peak performance, it's all for people who want to play that old mixtape they forgot they owned, and make them smile. So, is the cassette Walkman finally back? Honestly, yes in spirit. The FiiO CP13 doesn't try to reinvent the format, it respects it, and that's why I like it. Would I still repair a classic Sony? Absolutely. But if someone asked me what cassette player to buy today, then the FiiO would be my answer. That's it for now. See you in the next one.